when pests appear in your vegetable garden. There's no need to worry. Here's a simple, yet highly effective natural remedy. Whether you're growing Chinese cabbage, leafy greens, radishes, or head cabbage, this method works wonderfully against common leaf-eating pests. The process is quick and easy. Finely chop fresh chili peppers and garlic. Add a small handful of rice, and soak the mixture in warm water overnight. The next morning, strain out the liquid. Then gently spray it over the leaves for even coverage. Repeat every 3 to 5 days. This gentle, plant-friendly formula not only deters pests naturally, but also leaves your vegetables free from chemical traces. In just a short time, you'll see the leaves turn glossy and vibrant. With plants growing strong and full of life, it's eco-conscious, budget-friendly, and produces harvests you can truly enjoy with peace of mind. If you find this tip helpful, save it, so you can follow it whenever needed. And for more time-tested gardening wisdom, stay connected with us. Vegetables grow best when planted in harmony with the seasons, a tradition passed down through generations that never fails. Spring. Beginning of spring, start planting beans. Rain, water, lettuce thrives quickly. Awakening of insects, peppers grow at their best. Spring equinox. Pumpkins climb and spread with ease. Clear and bright cucumbers are crisp and tender. Grain rain loofahs hang heavy on the vines. Summer. Start of summer tomatoes. Blush a rich red. Grainful scallions stand tall and green. Grain and ear sweet potatoes settle deep in the soil. Summer solstice. Amaranth grows lush for endless picking. Minor heat. Cabbages form tight, firm heads. Major heat. Celery grows crisp and aromatic. Autumn. Start of autumn. Time to sow Chinese cabbage. White dew, coriander, fills the air with fragrance. Autumn equinox chives flourish with vigor. Cold dew garlic shoots grow sturdy and bright. Frost descent. Spinach thrives in the cool air. Winter. Start of winter. Chinese kale is tender and fresh. Minor snow pea vines climb the trellis in green abundance. Major snow rapeseed carpets the fields in green. Winter solstice crown daisy reaches its peak nourishment.